Guys, look at the screen now. So today we are going to discuss about the Excel. Hi, welcome to Prabhu Tech Trainer channel. This is your Prabhu sir. So in Excel, before going to learn Excel, first of all you have to learn the shortcut keys, okay, which is very important. So आपने shortcut keys both very important है, आप सीख लेना. So these are the shortcut keys. I'll post it after this class in your group. Okay. These are all shortcut keys which are very important in Excel. Okay. So we are going to learn about the Excel 2016 version. Okay. Now, getting started. Lesson overview. We will cover all these lessons, basics, and also advanced class. So, what is the importance of Excel? Before you go for any job, any interview, you must have basic knowledge of Microsoft Excel, from an accountant to receptionist, human resource to administration department. All are using Microsoft Excel from 1995. Almost all 30 and 35 years since it has been using in all everywhere. Okay, that is the importance. So without Excel, no office, no calculation. Then what is MS Excel? Okay. So MS Excel is a spreadsheet program or software. Spreadsheet program or software that allow you to store, organize, and analyze information. What we do in Excel: store, organize, and analyze information. That is the main purpose of the Excel. Okay. So what is spreadsheet? Excel is a spreadsheet application developed. It is a spreadsheet application software and published by the Microsoft company. It is a part of Microsoft Office suite. That means package come with many softwares. Okay, like MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, okay, Skype, many are softwares. So what is a spreadsheet? So spreadsheet is a computer program. Spreadsheet is a computer program that can capture, display, and manipulate data arranged in a row and column. That is very important. What is spreadsheet? So spreadsheet is a computer program which can capture, display, and manipulate the data arranged in a rows and columns. That is called spreadsheet. Okay. And yes, a spreadsheet is generally designed to hold numerical data and short text strings. Okay. Now, worksheet is also known as a spreadsheet. Worksheet is also called as spreadsheet, consisting of cells in which you can enter data and calculate data. Okay, that is about the spreadsheet or worksheet. Now, in how many ways we can open this? In how many ways we can open? Many ways. Okay, so you know very well, using shortcut keys we can open. Double click on the icon, that is first option, and second one is what? Using the taskbar. If I put on this directly, if I click on this icon directly, it will open. But you have to pin the software in taskbar. Like for example, any software is there. Like I want to use this software. When I click on this, it will, like Notepad is there. Sorry. Like WordPad is there. Okay. I want to pin this here on taskbar. How? Just go there, open and see this symbol and click on pin to taskbar. It will come here, right? That will come here. Whenever you want, you can directly click on here and you can use it. Any software. Okay. So if you want to remove this, if you click on like this, unpin from the taskbar. it will remove. Okay, this is another way. And next way is what? Using the taskbar. Next, using the start menu. Like when you click on this start menu, you will see all the programs, all apps. Click on all apps, scroll down little, and you will find the many softwares. Okay. So from here also we can open what? Here it is there, Excel. Okay. This is another way. And next way is what? Using the search. Here in search area, type Excel. So it will come like this when you click on this. So it will open. Select the blank workbook. Okay. Like this. And next another way is what? Shortcut key. What? Window key plus R. Window key plus R. Window key plus R and type what? Excel. Okay. Type Excel and it will open and select the blank workbook. Okay. Now this is how we can open from the, and also we can open this same software from command prompt. Like when you in search area, you can see the command prompt. When you type CMD, you will see this. Here what we have to type? Start what? Excel. Okay, like this also we can open. Anyways, which is convenient, more like easy, then use it. Okay. Now opening is over. So how to start MS Excel? Click on the start button or search. Select all programs or apps. Then select Microsoft Excel 2016. Then click on Excel. Okay. These two options and select the what? Blank workbook. This is select to blank workbook. And now you will see this screen. Now let us understand this screen. Then go to the main topics. So this is called interface, or when you open, you will see like this. Okay. So this screen you can see. Let us study this screen so that we can easily understand. Now, so here you can see the main screen or first screen is called what? Interface of the MS Excel. Let us understand parts of the MS Excel. Okay. Now from here to here, you will see some text: file, home, insert. These are called what? Tabs. Okay, tabs. So tabs from here to here, it is called what? Ribbon. Okay. And the ribbon contains what? Tabs. Again, tabs, each tab contains what? Groups. Here you can see groups, these groups. And inside the group, what is there? Commands. We use commands. Okay. If you want to use any command like this, you have to click on home tab and then find out the group and find out the command. This is how we can do it. Like for example, when you open MS Excel, you will see the screen, right? So when you click on any tab, it will display the groups below the tab. So whenever you want to use anything, click on here and use it, any command. Okay. Next. So this is called title bar, where title will be displayed. By default, it will show book 1, book 2, book 3 when you open number of Excel sheets. So it will show book 1, book 2. By default name is book 1. When you save that file, the file name will be displayed on title bar, whatever you give. Okay. Now here it is there, quick access toolbar. You know how many commands is there when you open? 3 commands: save, undo, and redo. Right? Save, and this is save, this is undo, this is redo. Okay. And how to what is save? Storing the files permanently in your computer or OneDrive, anywhere, any memory. So what is the shortcut key? Control plus S. So undo means what? Undo. cancel the previous action, whatever you perform, like you deleted, again it will, you will get back the text. Okay, and redo means repeat the undo action, repeat the undo. Like for example, I deleted a text. When I click on undo, it will come again. Again, if you click on redo, what will happen? Again, it will be deleted. That is the different undo and redo. Okay, this button is called what? More commands. Like when you want to display more than 3 commands, then click on here, click anywhere, that will come here. Okay, now if you don't want, just uncheck it, then it will remove. More than these commands, if you want more commands, click on more commands. Like for example, you want to use cut, add, and it will come here. Click on OK, it will come here. If you want to remove, again more commands, select it, remove, OK, it will be removed. This is quick access toolbar. Now this is called tell me feature. Like for example, whenever you click on any tab and finding the group and commands, so man make mistake and man can forget. So that time, if you forget any command location where it is there, then come here, click here, type the command. Like for example, I type my name Prabhu. Okay, and select the text, and now come here, I want to cut, use cut. So directly click on here, and I want to paste these options, same again, paste option, and click on paste option. So from here also we can use the commands if you forget the location of the command. That is called power of tell me feature. Okay, how many tabs will be there when you open? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tabs, including Acrobat. Some more commands will become. It depends on like you use inserting any object table, like format tab, developer tab. Okay, now so here you can see what sign in option. Like for example, here it is there. Here not showing any because it is not showing older version. So this is called Microsoft login option. Why it is? To use the OneDrive. What is OneDrive? Cloud space, internet space, which will be provided by the Microsoft company, 5 GB free space. You can store, save all the Excel, Word, and MS Office package softwares in that OneDrive, so that anywhere you can access. Even if you forget your system or pen drive, anything, that will be there available online. Directly you can use your Microsoft account and you can download or use it. That is the advantage. Next, so now if you want to hide this, if you want to see here, whenever you see this, these are the tabs and commands. If you want to hide and unhide the ribbon, like for example, click on here, auto hide ribbon. When you click on here, no tabs and no commands will be displayed. You can just directly click on it. Whenever you want use it, click just double click on it. It will come and you can reuse it. If you don't want to hide, okay, then again come here and show tabs and commands. It will be there. It will be listed. So what is the shortcut? Control plus F9. Sorry. Okay. So hide, unhide. Control plus F1. Control plus F1. Hide, unhide. Okay. You have to learn the shortcut keys compulsory. In Excel, it is very important. Now here, come here. This is called what? Minimize button. This is called maximize button or restore button. This is called close button. So these 3 buttons are called control buttons. Okay, when you minimize it, it will come to the taskbar. Temporarily will be existed. Again, if you want to get back it, click on here and click like this. Okay, there is a shortcut key, window key plus D, and again window key plus D. Another shortcut is same, minimize, control plus F9, control plus F9, sorry. Window key plus D. Okay, or control plus F9. It's not happening. Control plus F9. It's okay. So these are the shortcut keys. And next, now this is called name box. Okay, why it is called name box? Because this is the name of the cell. It will display the name of the cell. Wherever you type, like for example, I am NSS, I am typing here. This NSS address will be there. What is the name of this cell? J12. How to identify the cell? Whenever you click on any cell, the cell column header will be highlighted and row header will be highlighted. So we can identify like this, G and 9. So cell is the cell will be formed the intersection of the row and column. Smallest unit of the memory where we can store the data or enter the data. Okay. So see here. So again, if you are not able to identify like this, directly you come here, you can see that name. If you want to change this name, you can also change this name here. Come here, you put your own name, cell address. So now whenever you go somewhere and click on that cell, particular cell, it will show the name of the cell. Please don't do anything. Okay. Understood? Now this is cell, right? Cell will be highlighted all borders whenever, that is called active cell. Now whenever you want to add it, add it. And again, when you click on somewhere, this cell will be selected. Again, if you want to select this, click on this. Now if you type, when you click like this, if you type anything like anything, it will be overridden, override the previous text. I don't want to do like that. So I want to modify the text. Like I forgot Prabhu Kumar. Instead of typing Prabhu Kumar, I type only Prabhu. Now I want to modify this cell. To modify this cell in many ways, 3 ways. Double click on the cell and inside you can see cursor. There you can modify. Or otherwise, click on the cell, select F2 key and you can enter into that, and now you can change it. Now another one, select the cell and this is called formula bar. Come here, you can modify like this. Whichever is easy, you can use it. Okay, understood now? Now here, this is called row. See, it will be, this text will be, so it is not like width is not sufficient. So when you see like this, if you click on, double click on it, it will be auto adjusted according to your text. Auto column adjust, or otherwise using mouse you can adjust like this. This is column width. When you want to increase the row height, row width, like this you can do it. Okay now? Now, title bar. This triangle symbol is called what? Dialog box launcher. Why it is called dialog box launcher? These are the dialog box launchers. Why? Because when you want to see or use more than these commands, because this place is very insufficient to display all the commands. So they will put in this. When you click on this, it will obey all the commands. So it's called dialog box. You can use it. Okay. And now SSL menu bar. So row bar and column bar. Row bar, column bar means this is ABCD. So begin from row bar begins from row bar begins from. So here it begins from A. So this cell address is A1. It begins from. When you want to know control plus down arrow key, last row will be displayed. Last row number is what? 10,48,576 rows are there in the sheet. Okay. And again, if you come to the home line, first to A1 cell, control plus home or control plus top arrow key. Okay. And if you want to see last column, control plus right arrow key. Last column name is XFD. Okay, XFD. The column number, if you want to see the column number, again come to the home. And now, so click on the select all button. Click on the select all button. Now you can see here the how many columns are there? 16,384 columns. Last column name is what? XFD. That's XFD. Column number is 16,384 columns. That is a big sheet in Excel. Okay. When you click and hold, then you will see the rows. How many rows? How many columns? R means rows. C means columns. Okay. Now, so this is called sheet tab. By default, it will be opened only one sheet. How many sheets we can? The sheet name is called sheet 1. And when you want to add it, click on this. Sheet 2 will be open, and so on. How many sheets you want? As many as it depends on your computer memory. And now you can change the sheet names also by double click on it and change your name, or right click rename. Right click rename. Okay. You can use some more option like gold. You can also apply the color like see tab color. I want to change this tab color. If you want to delete it, remove it, you can delete it. So these are called as sheets. And now these are the views. By default, we are there in the normal view. Okay. Sometimes we have to work in page layout view. How many views are page layout view? So see here, page layout view, page wise you can see. Here you can insert the header perfectly and also footer. And if you want to see the page wise also, you can use it. And while printing, if you want to use, because Excel will not show in normal, it will not show page wise. So see the lines. So when you print, before going to printer, you have to see the print preview. Like for example, I am printing this, and last column number is, when you see underline dashes, this is the ending page. This is 47 ending page. Here I want to print. So when you click on Control plus P, it will show the page completely, starting, ending. How can I know? Before I don't know, no? If I click this or this, then only it will show these lines, page wise lines. Okay. If you want to adjust this, like for example, so now here when you press control plus P, you will not see some columns here. Observe now, you will not see some columns is jumped. So if it is like, then come here. Okay, you adjust this line. If you drag this line, keep ending, so all columns will be displayed. A row also same. Okay, come to the normal and see here. Whenever press control play, every column will be displayed. This is modification. Okay. Now, so this is called status bar, that will display the number of pages and everything. It will display. Okay. Status of the current page. Next, this is called total area is work area or spreadsheet area. Okay. And this is called what? Formula bar. This is called, hello, look at the screen now. This is called formula bar, I told you. So why it is called formula bar? Like whenever you start, this is one number, this is two number. I want to add these numbers using formula. So alt plus is equal to, it will come automatically, then it will come total. So for some, there are many ways is there. Alt plus is equal to, it will calculate automatically formula. And second way is click on result cell, click on auto sum, home auto sum. So it will come automatically. And this is one way. And second way is equal to, you have to type the formula, bracket open, and drag these two values. And another way is equal to this cell plus this cell is equal. Okay. This kind of a calculation will do when it is not data is not sequential, like serial, consequent. Okay, contiguous. When it is not, I mean, serially, then we use this kind of a calculation. Okay. And now you cannot see this formula in the cell. Okay, you will see this formula here. If you want to modify, come here in the formula bar, also you can modify. Or else, if you want to modify within this cell, double click on it, then it will display the formula. Okay. Whenever you enter any content, if you don't want, cancel it, just press the escape key, or otherwise type here, it is there, cancel button. Whenever you enter and you want to fix the data, press enter key. Instead of enter key also, here it is there, enter button. Okay, this is formula, insert formula, like how I am doing here. Formula, insert formula, and now type the formula. What is the formula? Sum, and go. Now it will come select. So it will select automatically this, or otherwise you have to give or type. Okay. Okay. This is how we can do it. And next, so 1 second. I'll take. I'll take little break. जरा कोडिंग का प्रॉब्लम ओपन करके इसको स्टार्ट करो, जल्दी करना, टाइम नहीं, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं। हाँ, explain another problem that easily you can understand. To understand Excel easily, we have to understand one problem. To understand that problem easily, you can do it Excel perfectly.